Hey everyone, welcome back to English Conversation Hub. In today's video, we have a fun and relatable English conversation between two friends. One of them has been working from home for over a year, but now he's suddenly been called back to the office. You'll hear how he reacts to the news, why he had to get a haircut, and how the barber totally messed it up. So, let's jump right in. Hey man, whoa! Is that really you? Look at you, clean shaven, neat haircut. What happened to the caveman look? Yeah, I had to clean up. Got an email from HR last week. Starting Monday, we're back to working from the office. Seriously? After working from home for a whole year? Yep, no warning. Just a polite little, please report to office. I looked in the mirror and thought, no way I'm walking in like this. My hair was all over the place, and my beard? Let's just say I looked more like a wild hiker than a tech guy. So you finally hit the barber? Yeah, yesterday evening. But man, I'm kind of mad about it. Why? What happened? The guy totally messed up my haircut. At first glance, it looked fine, but later I noticed. One side is longer than the other and the back's all choppy. I asked for a clean, even trim and some layers on top. He just did his own thing. Oof, that's the worst. Did you say anything? I did. I told him right after he was done, hey, this side still looks uneven. And he just smiled and said, no, it looks trendy like this. Dude, I wasn't asking for trendy. I needed professional. Classic. Some barbers just want to show off their style no matter what you ask. Exactly. And the beard? I only wanted a light cleanup, but he trimmed it down so short I look like a teenager again. Well, at least you look fresh. Your boss might not even recognize you on Monday. That's the goal, I guess. After a year of pajama life and Zoom calls, just putting on proper shoes feels weird. Welcome back to the world of desks, traffic, and office coffee. Let's hope I survive this transition. And next time, I'm definitely going to a different barber. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.